Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making almond milk. I saw somebody do this on TikTok and I just wanted to see if it was as easy as it looked. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first step that I did, I let 2 cups of almonds sit in about 2.5 cups of water overnight in the refrigerator for roughly 12 to 13 hours. Now that the almonds are all rinsed off, go ahead and put them in the blender, and then we'll add the next 3 ingredients. And y'all, I just want to say that I swear by Ninja products. I love this blender. This is the best blender I've ever used. And next, I think I want to get their ice cream maker called Creamy, but I'll put everything in the description below. Y'all just saw me drop that water on the floor, but we're gonna keep going. Go ahead and add 4 cups of water to the blender, and then we'll add our vanilla extract and honey. Sorry you guys, I didn't realize that I was out of the frame, but I added 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I added 1/2 tablespoon of honey. And the last thing I did was add 3 dates to the blender. I started off with 3 because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the taste or not, or if it was gonna be too overpowering. But start off with a couple and then add some more later. First, see how you like it. I let my blender run for about 1 minute because this Ninja, like I said, is amazing and it blended up everything really well. I also wanted to show you guys the specs on this blender, but everything will be down below just in case you do want to go ahead and get it. This is not sponsored or anything. I just really love this blender and I think y'all should go buy it. Instead of using a strainer, I ordered this nut milk bag from Amazon, which will also be down in the description. Apparently, what's left over inside the nut milk bag can also be used for almond flour. Maybe I'll try that in the next video. After trying it, it was really good, but I did go ahead and add 3 more dates and a little more honey. I didn't measure it, I just eyeballed it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.